Manager of Customer Success with Threshold 360, here with the next video in our series of Threshold 360 Value Index videos. Again, this is a follow-up to our Maximizing Value webinar that we had recently. We will, again, be doing one of these every week for the next few weeks. And the second is focused on marketing. As a reminder, we just recently released our 360 Value Index, which you can access here on our Customer Resource Center page. That's www.threshold360.com/resource, which you can also find in your dashboard. But when you go down, again, you will see the index right here. You can click on it. This will take you to the version where you can click the links. As a reminder, we break it down by department and by the 5 degrees of value. Not saying one's better than the other, but it's kind of the most basic to the highest that we've seen customers utilize. So to jump into marketing, receiving value in your marketing department, the first and most basic is adding virtual tours to your website listings. So for my destination customers, getting them on all of your partner listings, your different pages throughout your website. For non-DMO customers, whether you're a single location or an enterprise client, getting these tours all over your different pages, location pages, getting it on your main page. So again, this is that first step once we've captured your virtual tour from a marketing perspective. The second is sharing your share pages on social media. Again, I know a lot of you have many different social media posting strategies, and it's very easy to take your share pages and custom share pages and just integrate them directly in. The third, building custom maps for blog posts and itineraries. So this is another example of you guys are already doing newsletters, you're already doing blog posts, just taking those maps, creating the locations that are in those blog posts and embedding them directly in. We do it weekly. So again, check out our Step Inside blog, but it's a very simple method that just enhances that blog post and adds another layer for clients and visitors to actually see all of the places you're talking about and virtually tour them. The fourth is using hotspots to add more information about your location, as well as highlighting accessibility. So if you have accessible features, you can actually call that out with the hotspot. This is a new feature that we want to make sure you're taking advantage of. And then the fifth and final example is incorporating your virtual tours in your email marketing campaigns. So this is just a great example of with those share pages or those embeds, it's very easy to take your tours and add them into the marketing campaigns that you're doing. Want to highlight just a few examples. I'm going to start with the deck that we use in the webinar just because several of these examples I don't have links to. One is, this is an example of the Dine Out Boston map that Cambridge USA created. They actually did an Instagram story where they did a video of the map itself, linked out to the blog with the custom map. And again, you can't link in Instagram directly or put the tour in it natively, but you can actually link out. So if you have a picture and you do put a link for click for more info or see the space, you can link out that way. And then over here, you'll see KOA actually in their email marketing campaigns used a share page and link directly into their emails so that when visitors receive these emails, they could click and see the virtual tour right away. A few more examples. One, this is just your standard listing page, but I do like to call this out because Visit Tucson did a great job. They call out tour inside, that creates action, and then they have this really nice big embed for Lodge on the Desert. So it allows the visitor to actually really see the space, get a feel for it. The next is putting a share page on social media. So this is an example of a partner of a customer utilizing it, but again, it's very easy, whether it's LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and like I said, Instagram, you can take these links and just drop them right in and add them into your post. And you can create custom share pages where you can actually customize what you're showcasing in the post. So if you're posting about just a specific space within a location, you can customize it so where you're just sharing that. This is a great example of utilizing a custom map. So this is that Dine Out Boston map that Cambridge USA created. And again, they've added all of these different restaurants, even though we haven't captured most of them. So they just added them as listings, they added them to their blog posts, and each week when they do blogs, they integrate these maps into them so that just enhances the visitor's experience. This is just one of my favorite examples because Visit Springfield, Illinois actually utilized 2 of our features. One, the native call to action. So if you click this, this takes you to the page for the Route 66 experience, but then also they added hotspots throughout this tour. So this can actually give you more information, as well as when you go over here. I love this example because let's see, you'll see when you click through, they have this neon sign park. So this actually shows what the park looks like at night when it's all lit up. So even though we didn't capture it at night, you can still see it and get an understanding of just maybe the difference between going to during the day or going at night. And the last example is using hotspots to highlight accessibility. So Sloan Park in Mesa, Arizona, calling out accessible seating. When you click it, you can go to their accessible page, or you can just go directly to purchase tickets. So even there's a sales element to this as well. So I know a lot of our customers are focused on highlighting accessibility in their spaces, and these hotspots just allow that as well. So thank you so much. Again, if you want to learn more, please check out our Value Index, take the online training courses in the Resource Center. Please reach out to our team at support@threshold360.com, and we're always happy to set up a live training as well. So thank you so much and have a great day.